In the ultra-high performance world, one name has made waves, the Pirelli P Zero PZ5. After outperforming even the mighty Sport Contact 7, it now takes on a respected contender, the Falken Azenis FK520. Value-packed, grippy and sharp, but can it stop the PZ5 momentum? Let's dive in. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli P Zero PZ5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's Best Performance Tyres for 2025 test. Wet braking? Nearly equal. The PZ5 stops just 0.09 meters shorter, a statistical tie. But in the wet handling, the PZ5 finishes a full 0.99 seconds quicker, which means 1% faster. And it feels sharper too, scoring 0.5 points higher in subjective feedback. Still, the FK520 holds its own in straight-line aquaplaning, resisting hydroplaning at a 1.5 km per hour higher, a 2% edge. Dry is where PZ5 breaks away. 0.42 meters shorter in dry braking, a 1% improvement, 1.5 seconds faster in dry handling, that's 2% quicker around the course. And driver feel, 0.75 subjective points ahead, 4% more confidence. Clear win for Pirelli in the dry. On the comfort front, the PZ5 delivers a smoother ride with a 0.5 point advantage. But it's the Falken that's fractionally quieter, 0.5 decibel less exterior noise. When it comes to rain resistance, there are no difference here. Both tires score at identical 8.9 coefficient value, energy draw match. In terms of price, the Falken FK520 is 14% more affordable. That's a strong value case. In summary, the Pirelli P Zero PZ5 is the better performer. It edges ahead in both wet and dry metrics, giving you a sharper and more confident drive. Great effort by Falken to stay close, but in this duel, the PZ5 takes the crown.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.